How are you, Father? What a pleasure to see you always. You inspire such good life. We are lucky to have you. May God give you very long life and you keep inspiring us. You come to visit this place, see what is being done here, see the children who are being looked after, and I am not saying it formally, you become speechless. One does not really know how to express one's feelings on seeing the wonderful, noble work that is being carried on under the guidance of our Father Felix. God, the compassionate, the merciful, we can't see that God is compassionate, merciful. But we are not able to see with these eyes the God. But we see the reflection of that compassion, that grace in people like Father Felix and his associates who look after these people. The requirement of this civilization is, but before that I must say that a society without civilization, the jungle, it is the strong who dominates, who devours, who consumes the weak. That is called in Indian tradition Matsya Nyaya. And one of our books, Shatpat Brahmin, says, a society where there is absence of Matsya Nyaya is a civilized, a dharmic society. And the higher grade of that dharmikta, that civilization is not only that you do not try to dominate over those who are weak, but you become voice of those who cannot speak. You become help of those who cannot walk. You think for those who cannot think for themselves. That is the highest form of civilization. Father, honestly, I am not saying formally, you and your associates, they inspire such awe that it is really too difficult to speak here. But I bow my head in your, you are truly revered. And we are indebted to you, we are grateful to you, and I pray to God to give you a very long life so that you can keep these people who can be looked after, and you can inspire many others to follow your footsteps. I'm coming here second time, and I would have, particularly today, I had come with the hope that I will spend more time here. But unfortunately, just before I was leaving here, one of our great member of parliament, late Shri Pilu Modi, who represented a constituency in Gujarat, he passed away in 1980. He was one of the most humorous, jovial, and he had also very compassionate heart. And he was my first mentor in politics. As a student, he played, I would say that he was very, very kind and affectionate to me. He had married an American lady, and after his death, she used to spend few months in India and few months in USA. She had come here last year, but because of COVID could not go back. And just before I was coming here, I received the news that she passed away last night in Mumbai. So because of that, I will be leaving early. Otherwise, Father, I would have spent much more time with you. And I hope to come to this place again, because it is like doing a pilgrimage. It's so inspiring, so impressive. Father, words really are not capable of expressing my sentiments. I again thank you for your kind invitation and give you my best possible compliments, you and your associates. Thank you very much. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.